Are we live?
Yes, we're live.
All right, let's go on the record on cause number 2012304, Luminant Generation Company LLC versus Alcoa USA Corp. Council, make your appearances.
This is Leon Carter and Shauna Ballard on behalf of Alcoa, defendant Alcoa.
And we also have Brian Barron joining us today on behalf of Alcoa.
I didn't see Brian. I apologize.
Your Honor, this is Barry Barnett, and I have the honor to represent the plaintiffs, the Luminant parties, and my partner, Abigail Nobles, is also on the call, and Kevin Downs from my firm as well.
Okay.
Should I proceed, Your Honor?
You may.
Yeah, and thank you for finding 20 minutes. It's not going to take 20 minutes. As you know, we Alcoa filed these special exceptions last week, and we filed them because we found ourselves in a desperate situation. As the court know, you can have a hearing set on the injunction on November 30th. The parties are going to start taking depositions next Monday. And so we were in the position of not knowing with any type of detail the specific factual allegations Mr. Barnett and his team were going to allege against us at the temporary injunction hearing. So because of that, because of the situation we were in, we filed these special exceptions. You know, in the original petition, we had a global allegation, one global allegation. In the amended petition, we had two more facts with detail, and we haven't had anything since then, even though we've asked Mr. Barnett about that. And so at 1:42 today, in his opposition to our special exceptions, Mr. Barnett has agreed to give us specific detail of the specific allegations that he will be asserting at the temporary injunction hearing on November 30th. And the only thing that we would ask, because he has indicated that in his opposition, is that we get that by this Wednesday, so that we will have an opportunity to get prepared for the depositions that are going to start on Monday.
Mr. Barnett?
Yeah, that sounded slightly Trumpian today, declaring.
Oh, don't use that with my name, please. I can't believe you did that to me, Barry. I thought we were friends.
Wow.
Poor thing. This is our response, which we filed today because we got notice of this Friday afternoon. Alcoa has ample notice of the injunctive relief Luminant seeks. And we say that Alcoa asserts in the special exception, and there's only one, that it cannot understand what Luminant means when it, quote, asks the court to preserve the status quo by preventing and enjoining Alcoa from interfering with consummation of the limited liability transfer transaction with Parrot Development, including by breaching, and that's the end of the quote, a specific section of a particular key contract. And the petition says what provision that is and what the name of the contract is. And then the next part of the response lists, it quotes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 additional allegations that make it clear what relief we are asking for. And so what they're requesting, Your Honor, I think, is some sort of maybe California-esque specification. We got to submit the order that we are going to ask you to sign at the end of the evidence, saying exactly.
Calling you Trumpian and California-esque. It's Mr.
So.
Carter. I don't know what this is all about.
I'm over here in North Dallas. I don't understand that.
I'm on
a stone's throw away.
But you know, Judge, probably the most telling thing about this is they don't even cite Rule 91, which is the special exception thing. And they don't cite a single case where any court in the history of the Republic and state of Texas has ever ordered somebody in our position to specify precisely, as the Alcoa folks put it, what relief we're seeking by way of an injunction. In fact, the White Horse case is one where the judge the order said, don't tortiously interfere. And that's it. That's not what we're alleging. And by the way, the rest of the injunction was fine. But that one part that says only don't tortiously interfere without saying what that means. And
So
further,
I guess I thought Mr. Carter said that there was an agreement and is there not an agreement? I'm trying to figure, no agreement?
It's not, well, he stated, Mr. You know,
Yeah.
even though he's acting Trumpian now, not conceding anything.
I concede that this is not a good special exception.
Mr. Barnett stated it
Your
is.
Honor,
Go
is
ahead.
that we do expect to amend our petition if we're getting some pretty good documents from them. And we're also going to be taking depositions. We've got the 30th, so the 23rd would be the last day we could amend without leave before the hearing to say what we think is the fact and what kind of relief we're going to get. But you know, this is not new. This is the same stuff we've been saying all along. That's in these 8 different paragraphs of the
You
petition.
said you're going to amend. Can you amend by Wednesday?
I don't think so.
When can you amend by, Mary?
I really don't understand. I apologize, Your Honor, but they know what we're asking for. Stop screwing up our deal. The specific deal that we've asked you to consent to and that you won't consent to, and keep making up excuses that don't make any sense to avoid consenting to after you said you'd consent to it before. This is not going to solve their problem. They want a precise order that says exactly what we're going to get. We're asking you to sign and order them to do now. That's not a pleading issue. That's a scrivening issue when you're drafting the order.
We just want to know, and Judge Hoffman, you hit the nail on the head. On page 5 of the opposition, he states, Luminant expects to amend this petition to provide additional details regarding Alcoa's conduct, and that amended petition will include a request that the court temporarily enjoin Alcoa from the following. We just want him to do what he said in his opposition, amend the petition by Wednesday. If he can't do it Wednesday, by Thursday at least, so that it will give us an opportunity. Hold on, Mr. Barnett. That will.
So that is so ordered.
Thank
So just do it by Thursday at noon.
Thank you, Your
Okay.
Honor. We'll submit
Thank
an
you, Your Honor.
Anything else, guys?
We have an order submitted to the court. We just have Wednesday and Thursday, though.
Go ahead and submit the new order. And or did you say you already submitted an order? Let me see.
We submitted one, but the date is wrong. We state
Let me just
Wednesday,
check.
Thursday.
Let me just make sure I have the right order.
Okay. We did that about an hour ago.
Oh, not going to have it yet then.
We'll send,
Yeah.
I'll submit another one.
Just submit a new one, e-file, and then email it to Rhonda.
Okay. What date by, what time on Thursday?
Noon.
Noon on Thursday. I got it. Thank you, Your Honor. We'll do it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your
Thank
Honor.
you, guys. You guys have a good day. I need to take a break. Is there some people on it? Is Birdwell, are you here on this hearing or something else?
That's something else.
Okay. I'm going to take a quick break and I'll be right back.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nancy, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hey, have y'all had a shower yet?
They did give her one about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
And by the way, our baby's coming on the 20th by C-section.
Oh man, okay.
She's
That's right
she
around.
won't turn.
Oh, she still having food?
Yeah, and the doctor said she can't get her to turn. She says not worth the risk.
Mm,
So, yeah.
okay.
And she only weighs 4 pounds, 14 ounces.
Oh,
She's gonna be little.
oh. She's how many pounds?
Huh?
She weighs what now?
4 pounds, 14 ounces. And
Oh.
she's got what, 10 days?
Mhm.
So
Oh, my little piggy is almost 6 pounds right now. So she just had her little sonogram. But I was asking, is there anything that you all need that she needs that she didn't get at the shower?
what was it she was talking about? You know, I asked her and she did. Oh, by the way, she got one of those things those little, how do I get on here on chat? Are we
Oh.
on are we on YouTube?
Oops.
Let me
We
go.
are.
Sorry about that. We'll get off of it. Let me get on chat.
Okay.
I can figure out how.
Or just put it on mute and just call me, because that's going to be easier.
Okay, hello everyone. Are you all here for the motion for continuance hearing? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can hear you.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor, here for the motion to continue on Kenyatta Andrews.
Let's see. Okay. It's set for 3:45, so it's exactly 3:45. Are both sides here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Well, this is set for tomorrow.
Yes, Your Honor. I called your court and I wasn't sure if y'all were still holding jury trials, and they said just to go ahead and set the motion for hearing.
So let me kind of give you the schedule, so to speak. So as of right now, we do have a potential jury trial that will go forward next week virtually, entirely virtually. And then after that, there's no real certainty on what will happen next. Apparently, we're going to kind of hold off doing any additional trials until Dallas County is no longer at a threat level red for COVID. So how long that will be, there's talk of a new vaccine today. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. And so there's a bit of uncertainty on when we would reset it. So if you're really eager to try it, we could try to get you tried next week. If not, we can kind of put it off.
Yes, Your Honor, I think both parties agreed to the continuance and wanted to put it off to try to mediate. We agreed to mediate with Mark Gilbert, and the hope was to try to do that before incurring the cost of expert depots. So.
Is that
That's
agreed
correct, Your
to?
Honor.
Okay, so this sets a May 10th. Is that a Tuesday?
May 10th is a Monday, 2021.
Okay. So we set you guys to May 11th.
That works. That works for me, Your Honor.
And
We can make that work. Sure.
perfect. And just kind of be aware, again, things could change radically by then, but we could be in a situation where we're doing hybrid trials where we would be doing voir dire remotely and then the actual trials, the rest of the trial in person. Or we may not be doing trials, or we may be back to normal, but the kind of default, if things are still in COVID, the era of COVID, but not at threat level red, is we'll be doing hybrid trials. And I'd encourage you guys to read the, it's on my webpage, on my, not webpage, my courts page on the Dallas County website is a copy of that jury plan. So you might want to take a look at that. But that's a ways off, so who knows what that will mean. Do you have any questions?
You want me just to go ahead and submit an agreed order or file it, or?
You already submitted a agreed scheduling order, right, for May 11th or May 10th?
I don't believe we've submitted one for the May 11th.
Not for May 11th, Your Honor.
We were doing this hearing first, just make sure we were bumped and to get a new date. So
Let me share this. So this is what I was going to propose. This was something that was submitted by somebody. So do you want me to just sign this?
Oh, I must have submitted that already. Yes, Your Honor. Yeah.
You just change the date to May 11th.
Yeah, that works for us, Your Honor.
Okay.
that's good.
We'll go ahead and do that then. All right. Anything else today, guys?
I don't believe so.
Nope.
Okay. Well, you guys are excused. You have a good day.
All
Thank you,
right,
Mr. Your
appreciate
Honor.
it. Y'all have a good one as well.
Okay.
Thanks.
Mr. Reeb, are you here for the next hearing? Mr. Reeb? Reeb? Scott? Are you there?
Yes, sir, I am.
Are you here for the 4 o'clock hearing?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Go ahead and pull that up. I have a bunch of stuff I need to go sign, so I'll